नो डिवीजन। हाँ बताओ मनीष जी, आप बताइए।
सर, अरे यार बोलने तो दो। स्पीकर सर, we are very cognizant of the fact, that the extraordinary circumstances in which this parliament session has been convened. We are also deeply appreciate the arrangements which have been made in order to make this session possible. But however, Mr. Speaker, sir, while recognizing that under Rule 32 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Lok Sabha, you have the authority to suspend the question hour, I would like to draw your attention to page 473 of Colin Shakhdar and read just one paragraph which is extremely important, Mr. Speaker, sir. This is practice and procedure of Parliament. Speaker, sir,
प्रश्न आगे का उससे
Speaker,
आगे
sir,
का प्रश्न संख्या नियम और भी पढ़ दो।
no, Speaker, sir,
वकील हैं आप तो।
Speaker, sir, I'm just pointing out, with great respect, I'm pointing out that Colin Shakhdar says, page 473, in very exceptional cases, question hour may be dispensed with for making available more time to other business or to take up some urgent business only if the House unanimously agrees. Speaker, sir, the qualification is that the House must unanimously agree, because this is the only time when the opposition can hold the government accountable.
हाँ, अभी आप
Sir, we appreciate that in the present prevailing situation, Parliament has been commenced and it will continue for 18 days. But sir, we should remember at the same time, the question hours is also integral part of the basic structure of the parliamentary procedure, and we can't destroy that part. Sir, today, if the government is having their pressure for passing the bill, we are also having our views to express, and naturally, this is the only
किसी
time,
पर किसी
sir,
का
this is
दबाव
the
नहीं है,
this
सदन
is-
चलना चाहिए,
this is-
सब एक मत
No,
है।
this is the only time. This is the only time we get the answers from the honorable minister, sir. Therefore, kindly do not